In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the weather location in Microsoft Outlook. If you like seeing weather updates inside your Outlook calendar, keeping that location accurate can make the feature much more useful. Maybe you've moved, you travel often, or Outlook is simply showing a city you no longer want to follow. The good news is that changing it only takes a few moments, and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. To begin, open Outlook and go to your email inbox. Once you're on the main Outlook screen, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon. This opens the settings area, where Outlook keeps many of its display and account preferences. After the settings panel opens, look to the left-hand column and click on Calendar. This will take you into the calendar-related settings, where you can adjust the way Outlook displays scheduling information, views, and other calendar features. Next, click on Weather. This section controls the weather information shown in Outlook's calendar. If you've never changed it before, you may already see a default location listed there. From here, click on Add another location. This is the option you'll use to enter the city or area you want Outlook to display instead. When the search field appears, type in the new location you want to use. As you type, Outlook should start showing matching results. When your desired location appears in the list, click on it to select it. Make sure you choose the correct version of the city if there are multiple places with the same name. Once the new location is selected, click on Add. This places the new weather location into your Outlook weather settings. At this point, your new location has been added, but the old one may still be visible as well. To remove the location you no longer want, find the old location in the list and click the bin icon next to it. This deletes it from your visible weather locations, helping keep the calendar display clean and relevant. Finally, click on Save. This is an important last step because your changes won't be fully applied until they're saved. Once you do that, Outlook will update the weather location used in your calendar. And that's it. You've successfully changed the weather location in Microsoft Outlook. If the update doesn't appear immediately, try refreshing Outlook or reopening the calendar view. That usually helps the change show up right away.